Honda Odyssey Service and Repairs. Honda Motor Company, commonly simply known as Honda, is a Japanese public multinational conglomerate manufacturer of automobiles, motorcycles, and power equipment, headquartered in Minato, Tokyo, Japan. While its name may suggest that it will turn the next family road trip into a grand adventure, the 2021 Honda Odyssey is far more likely to be appreciated for its day-to-day practicality. Its spacious and reconfigurable interior is perfect for hauling kids, cargo, or both, and it offers a collection of inventive features that are intended to make family life a little easier, all of which helped it earn an Editor's Choice Award. The Odyssey also drives far more pleasantly than its dowdy shape suggests, and its silky smooth V6 engine pulls strong for highway merging and passing. Honda also makes plenty of safety features standard across the Odyssey lineup. But its main rivals, the Chrysler Pacifica and Toyota Sienna, do the same and also offer optional all-wheel drive. Servicing your Honda Odyssey is crucial to ensure its optimal performance, safety, and longevity. Regular maintenance helps prevent breakdowns and costly repairs down the road. Here are some typical service and maintenance tasks for your Honda Odyssey. Oil change. Regular oil changes are essential to keep the engine well lubricated. The frequency of oil changes depends on the type of oil you use and your driving conditions. Check your owner's manual for specific recommendations. Tire maintenance. Rotate your tires regularly, typically every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure often and replace tires when they become worn. Also, consider wheel alignment and balancing. Brake service. Inspect and service the brakes as needed. This includes checking brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Squeaking or reduced braking performance can indicate a need for brake service. Transmission fluid. Regularly check and replace transmission fluid according to the manufacturer's recommendations. This can help maintain the transmission's health. Air filter. Replace the engine air filter as needed. A dirty air filter can affect engine performance and fuel efficiency. Coolant service. Ensure that the engine's coolant is at the correct level and in good condition. Replace the coolant as recommended by your owner's manual. Battery check. Test and replace the battery as needed. Clean the battery terminals and connections to prevent corrosion. Exhaust system. Regularly inspect the exhaust system for leaks and damage, as this can affect the vehicle's emissions and overall performance. Timing belt. Check your owner's manual for information on the timing belt replacement interval, as this can vary depending on the engine. Spark plugs. Replace spark plugs as needed, typically every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type of spark plugs your vehicle uses. Wheel alignment. If you notice steering issues or uneven tire wear, consider a wheel alignment to maintain proper handling and tire life. AC and heating system. Regularly service the air conditioning and heating systems to ensure they function correctly. Safety systems. Ensure all safety systems, such as airbags and seat belts, are in proper working condition. Address any warning lights on the dashboard promptly. Fluid checks. Regularly check other fluids like power steering fluid, windshield washer fluid, and differential fluid. Top up or replace them as necessary. Scheduled maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule outlined in your owner's manual. This schedule typically includes various services at specific mileage intervals.